Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. This is just a project I'm working on, stripping the paint from this old dresser. So it's solid. It's a solid wood piece, so we want to save it. So I'm trying to get the paint off of it, sand it down, make it nice. It's too bad we can't buy good paint stripper anymore. It used to be you could buy one that would take a thin coat and that would all be gone. But I am using citrus strip, one of the most common ones, and trying to take off multiple layers. It does an okay job, but not great. So we'll get all sides done, front in the drawer fronts, and then I'm going to be sanding. So I'm using a paint thinner wash now and rubbing down the entire thing with this wash. And then I will use mineral spirits to rub the whole thing down, and then finally it will be ready to sand. Alright, I got the whole thing sanded with my oscillating sander at 80. So I still need to get the edge sander and sand all the edges with 80, and then I'll go over it with 120 and 220. And then there's a couple little spots that need to be fixed. But we're coming along, and once we do all that, we'll be ready to sand or to stain and finish. All right, here's the dresser finished with 2 coats. It looks really good. So these are the original handles. These knocker type knobs I found because I was missing one of the originals. So to make it even, I bought 2 new ones for the small drawers. A lot of elbow grease, a lot of work getting all of that paint off and get it sanded, but it turned out really nice. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button, share, and I hope to see you again on the Green Workbench. Thanks for watching.